Hello everyone, let's do a little mental starter counting in tens. Remember, each of these rows is 10. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to count in tens. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. 10, can I hear you join in? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time, let's clap it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Should we do it with coins? I'll get my coins. I've got my 10p coins here and I'm going to drop them in the pot. Are you ready? Count with me. In ones, in twos, tens. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, whoa, 90. What's 10 more than 90? 100. Now, in this pot here, I've got 2p's. Remember we were counting in 2p's earlier in the week? Should we count together with this one? Make sure it's in the middle. It is. Let's go. Counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let's do it again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. One more time, let's clap it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, we've done counting in tens. We've done counting in twos. And show you counting in fives. I'm going to swap to my 100 grid now, so just wait a moment. As if by magic, my 100 grid, my 100 square has appeared. Now we're going to count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's do it again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Should we do it using coins? I'll turn this over to the visualizer. And where have my 5p coins gone? Here they are. These are 5p coins. Let's see how many I've got. One less than I thought I had. It's dropped off the table. Right, I'm back. You ready? We're going to count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100p or £1. There's £1 in there. See how much I've got. I'm going to count in fives. I'm going to drop the coins in. You tell me how much I've got. How much money have I got in my pot? I've got 2 coins, but how much are they worth? They're both worth 5p. What's double 5? 10. Let's check, let's count. 5, 10. Now, I'm going to drop some more in. You ready? Should we count together? No, you do it by yourself this time. You ready? How much money have I got in my pot? Let's find out. count with me, we're going to count in 5's. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now we're going to add some coins together and do a bit of problem solving. I'm going to drag up some coins and we'll see how much we've got. Okay. You might need a whiteboard and a pen for this. Now, how many coins have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have I got 6p? No. Are these 1p coins? They're 2p coins. So, shall we do it by drawing lines first? I'm going to get my big whiteboard and a pen and a rubber. I'm remembering my rubber this week. Now what you could do is with your paper and your pencil or your whiteboard and your pen, you could draw 6 circles to show your 2p's. Don't draw them too close together. And you can just write the 2p inside like that. I think that looks more like an oval. Anyway, and you're going to draw your lines underneath. So can you draw your lines underneath now? And you can pause the video while you're doing that. Now I'm going to have a go. So I draw 2 lines here, and 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 2 lines here. I haven't got much space, have I? Right. I can count them. Can you count yours and see how much money you've got all together? And can you tell your grown-up what your answer was? I'm going to have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got 12p, 12 pence. But if you can remember how to count in 2's, like we were doing earlier, you can make it easier. Look, let's count in 2's. Each coin is worth 2p, so we're going to count in 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. My answer is 12p. I'm going to write that down. 12p, 12 pence. Now let's have a go with this one. This time I'm going to drag up this number of coins. How much money have I got? Well, I could do it by drawing lines, couldn't I? I could draw, how many lines would I draw here? Show me with your fingers. 10, okay, I'm going to draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much money have I got altogether? I could count all of my lines. Maybe I'll do that later. Or, if these are all worth 10p, I could count in 10s. Should we count in 10s? You ready? 10, 20, 30. Should we check by counting the lines I drew? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30p. Now, oh, I forgot to get my number grid, my 100 grid. You can print one off from the internet and you can find 30p on that by counting down. Let's have a little look, I'll show you that. Here's my number grid. Let's count. 10, 20, 30. So that number there is 30. So you could write 30p down. 3 and 0, 30p. Now, I'm going to buy something, and let's see, Hulk. Who likes Hulk? So I'm going to buy the Hulk, and the Hulk is 20p. 20 pence. So to buy the Hulk, you'd have to use one of those coins, but because I'm a little bit sneaky, I'm not going to let you use those coins. So you've got to make 20p using these coins. How could I do it? Shall I start with, shall I do it with the 2p's? Will you help me count with the 2p's? Okay, I'm going to drag them up and see how many I've got. Now, I could draw lines to show it. Let's draw lines to show it, shall we? So how many lines do I draw? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now let's see how much I've got all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I've got 14p. I'm going to find 14 on my number line. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I've got 14 here. But I need to get to 20. So, how much more money do I need to get to 20? Well, we could do it by counting on in our heads. So I want you to get 14 in your head. Got that number in your head? Can I see it? Yeah, it's there. And you're going to count on up to 20. And every time you say a new number, you're going to show one finger. You ready? 14 in your head? Count with me. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many fingers am I holding up? 6 fingers. So I need 6 more p to get to 20. How many 2p's do you need to make 6p? 2, 4, 6. So I need 3 more 2p's. Let's check. Put that one down here, and I'm going to draw my lines. 1, 2, 1, 2. Move that one up a little bit. 1, 1, 2. Now, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many 2p's do I need to make 20p? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should we count in 2's and check? You ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 20p. I'm going to get rid of all of these. And can we make, I'm going to rub this out as well. Can we make 20p using 5p's? Let's have a little go, shall we? Right, let's drag them up. Should we count in 5's? Okay, can you remember how to count in 5's? Let's have a go. 5p here and 5p here. What's double 5? 10. 5, 10. 15. 20. So how many 5p's did I need to make 20p? 4 5p's make 20p. To check, I'm going to draw lines. You're going to help me out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, let's have a little look. And, Barbie doll. The Barbie doll cost this much money. Now, what I want you to do is get some coins and try and make 12p using your coins. And you can pause the video while you do that. I'm going to have a little go. So, got 12p here. I'm going to use 10p's, okay? That work? Let's see. Should we count in tens? 10, 20. Now I wanted 12p, and I'm going to put a little circle around 12 on my number line. But I got two 20p, so I've got too much money. So am I going to add one more 10p or take it away? I'm going to take it away, okay? I'll get rid of that as well, shall I? I've got 10p here. Shall I try a 5p? Okay, so I've got 10p, add 5p. How much is that all together? Should we do this one by counting on? Now, which is the biggest number? Is it 10 or 5? 10. So get 10 in your head. Don't touch your head though, because otherwise you'll be spreading germs. 10 in your head and show the 5 with your fingers and count on from 10. What's one more than 10? What was your answer? Let me have a go. 10 in my head, count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15p. Too much money. Okay, I'm going to put it back. Now, hang on a minute. I've got to 10p. I'm going to draw a circle around my 10p here. And I need to get up to 12p. So, how many more pence do I need? We could do it by counting on in your head. Get 10 in your head. Don't touch your head though. And we're going to count on up to 12. Every time we say a new number, we show one finger. You ready? What's one more than 10? 11, 12. How many fingers are we holding up? So I need 2 more p. So how could I make 2p? What coin or coins could I use? We could do it with how many 1p's? 2. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Or we could do it with how many 2p's? 1 2p. Now let's check. I want you to get 10 in your head and show 2 with your fingers and count on from 10. I'm going to have a go. What's one more than 10? 11, 12. Now I'd like you to have a go at this one. These PJ masks cost 17p each. I'm going to draw a little line around 17 on my number line. And I want you to use your coins at home to make 17p to pay for the PJ masks. Now I would like you to use as few coins as you can. So what you can do, start with the biggest coin and work your way down. I'd like your grown-ups to pause the video now and I'd like you to have a go and then come back to me. So let's have a go. I'm going to drag up this coin. How much is that? 20p. 20, but I only need 17p, so that's no good. So I'll try the next coin down. This is worth 10p. Can't use a 20, I'll try another 10. What's 10p add 10p? What's double 10? Count on in tens. 10, 20. I'm back up at 20p. No good. So I'll take one 10 away and I'll move down and add a 5. Now I've got 10p and 5p. What's 10 add 5? If you're not sure, get 10 in your head, show the 5 with your fingers and count on. What's one more than 10? I'm going to have a go. 10 in my head, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've got from 10p up to 15p. Now, how much more money do I need? I could jump up on my number line to find out. So I'm going to get 15 and jump up 1, 2. Or I could get 15 in my head and count on with my fingers up to 17. Every time I say a new number, I show one finger. 15 in my head, 16, 17. Either way, I need 2 more, 2p. How can I get 2p? We've just done it. I'm going to add a 2p coin here. And to check it, I could draw lines underneath. So I'll draw 10 lines here, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always draw them with straight lines, not going around like that. It makes it a lot easier when you're counting. How many lines here? 2. How many lines here? 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I check all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It worked. Parents, to challenge your child, what you could do is get them to choose some coins and then find out how much money they've got all together. So obviously I've got a whiteboard, so I'll drag mine up, but they can just pick out coins. And they can work it out in different ways. They could draw lines to work it out, and if they're not quite sure of the value of money yet, drawing lines is a good way of representing the value. They could do it by counting on, starting with 2 coins and then moving on. So you could get 10 in your head, add 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, add another 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, add another 2, 21, 22. Or they could, for instance, use their knowledge of doubles. So knowing that double 5 is 10, 10 add 10 is, well, double 10 is 20. So you've got 20 here, then count on 21, 22. Another thing that you can do is find different ways of making a certain amount of money. So how many different ways can your child make 20p? What you can do is put these on tapestry, and if you take a picture of their workings out, were they drawing lines? If they weren't, if they're doing it in their head, you could write down on tapestry how your child worked it out, and that helps us as teachers to assess your child and know what their next stage is. So have a go at that. Have a nice time. Bye.